Good morning, student. Welcome back to online classes. Last class we discussed about government company and what are the features of the government company and what are the advantages and disadvantages. We discussed last class, and now we are going to discuss about changing the role of public sector. Means how they will change the public sector. Means what is the role of the public sector, and we will discuss now. Okay, and it is when India gained independence. When means the India gained independence in 1947. The India gained independence. On that time, the economic condition it is very poor. On that time, it is the economic condition. On that time, the economic condition is very poor. Okay. On that time in independence, after independence, the economic condition is very poor. After that, it is the public sector, the public enterprises, which is hardly run the business. The government companies after the independence 1947, the hardly run the government companies rather than the railway and postal services. Means rather than the railway they can run easily. Railway and postal services, and these are all two they run effectively and they can run easily. The government will run easily, and out of that, example it is industries, textile industries, okay, and manufacturing industries and food industries and electronics. These are all industries will run. It is difficult for the government. That time what they will take decision means after 1990s they will take one decision. What's the decision? Means they are take a decision in 1991, the globalization. They will take decision globalization. Means it is that time when they will take globalization, that trend will change. How they will change means, first of all, what do you mean globalization means? Here it is, see, globalization means it is a free flow of, it is free movement of goods, services and people over the world is called as a globalization. Globalization means it is free flow of goods, services and people over the world. Means it is, here there is no restrictions. They are already given, it is rights to sell the goods and services one country to the another country. They are already given rights. They are already given license to selling and buying the goods and services one country to the another country. Okay, globalization means it is free flow of the goods, services, people over the world is called as a globalization. Here it is the goods and services they are selling between the one country to the another country without any restrictions. Without any restrictions, they will send the goods and services and they can receive the goods and services. But some tax they will levy. Some tax they will levy and they will have some rules and regulations. Based on that, they have to sell the goods and services one country to the another country. The custom duty is there, the GST is there, and they have to pay the tax also. Okay, they have to pay the tax also. Based on that, they will work. And globalization means when the India will give the permission, when India will take the decision about the globalization, that time the foreign investment, yes, the globalization, it is increased foreign investment. How they will means they are investment. Okay, that is foreign investment. If they will invest in India means India will get more income. Yes or no? Yes, we will get more income. If they want to establish here means they have to pay some tax and they have to take license here. That time the India will gain the income. And when they will start the business in our India means even India people will get employment opportunities, standard of living will increase, and even they will get the economic scale also, economic levels will increases. The reduce the regional balances here. Here it is reduce the backward areas. Means backward means rural areas. They will if they will establish the industries means that time the backward areas also will develop here. Globalization, it is very useful for the our India. When it is started globalization, that time only the India will developing. Before that, it is very poor economic condition in our country. After globalization, after 1991, they will take this decision. That's why it should be nowadays developing the country. If it is globalization, it is happening means here we are getting the more profit, more income in the investing the other countries. Okay, and next it is central government and state government always they are developing the public sector only. They will give the investment, always they will give the capital to develop the public sectors. But it is not means public sector. They will not public sector. They will not get profit. Why means here the government will not give permission to take decision initially. The government will not give you to take decision initially. Initiatively they will not give. Here they will not give freedom to take decision here. That's why when the government will take decision about public enterprises, that time the public enterprise, the public employees will take careless. Yes or no? Yes, they will take carelessly. Someone will take decision and we will work. That's it. Why you have to take decision? Why you have to take risk? Like that, the employees will think. That's why the government will give decision slowly. When the government gives the decision slowly, that production also will go the slowly. And after that, marketing also will go slowly. And here it is, we are not getting profit here. Investing more profit, but we are not getting profit here. We are getting always loss. Why means it is a late take. It is here slow taking decisions here. We are not taking decisions effectively. Here there is no proper decision making here. That time what they will do means next it is what they will do means it is privatization. They give the public sector means privatization. Privatization means it is a transfer the business industries to the public to the private enterprises and control. Okay. And after that, they are not getting profit. That's why they are transferred to the public sector to the private sector. That is called as a privatization. Privatization means here it is privatization. Privatization means it is privatization means transfer. Privatization means it is transfer the it is industry, business from public to private enterprises and business, enterprises, services, they will transfer the public to private enterprises. That time what will happen is the government will not take decision about public sector. If we will transfer the ownership to the public sector, the private sectors means the private sectors will do effectively. Why means if they will do effectively, they will get the profit. Public sectors means, sorry, private sector. Private sectors means the private employees. The private employees they will do effectively. Work means they will get the profit. Otherwise they will not get. Even they will not get salary also. But here public enterprises means if they will work, if they will not work, they will get the salary. That's why they will not take care. That is the main reason here government will take this decision. If they will give, if we will give to the private enterprises, that time they will do work effectively. Even they will get the profit more. When even they will get the, even they will create the employment opportunities. When employment opportunities will create, that time the basic needs will be fulfilled to the peoples. If they will basic needs will be fulfilled means that time it is standard of living it is increase. After that the economic development it is automatically will happen. That is the main reason here it is public sector transfer ownership to the public sector to the private sectors. Why they are transferring means to do the effectively work to gain the more profit. And if private sectors they have to start the business means first of all they have to take license, and they have to take license and they have to pay some tax. Okay, and they have to pay the tax and even they have to take permission from government. And when they will take means that time they have to pay some tax, that is income for the government. Okay, and they are getting more profit, and the even employment opportunities also will create here. Standard of living that is increase, and even it is economic development also will increase. That is the main reason here it is transfer ownership from the public sector to the private sector. Okay, and here it is first 5 years plan. Already you know about this first 5 years plan. In 10th you studied, I think, first year plan means in Kannada Panchavarshika Yojana. Okay, first 5 years plan which is designed and promoted by the to promote it for the purpose of to increase the public enterprises, to develop the public enterprises. But here it is not possible. Why means they will invest more money on public sectors, but they will not work effectively. That is the main reason they are not get profit. Why they will not work effectively means here decision making who will take means the government will take. That is the main reason here they will not work. That is the main reason they are given the privatization here. Okay, and next we will see importance of the public sector. Okay. Next we will see it is importance of public sector. Importance of public sector. First one, it is proper infrastructure, and second one it is regional balance. Second one it is regional balance, and third one it is regional balance, and fifth one it is the government policy towards public sector since 1991. This is the importance of public sector. Okay, it is first one it is proper infrastructure, second one it is regional balance, third one it is economic of scale, and fourth one it is check over the concentration of economic power and the government policy towards public sector since 1991. In 1991 what happened? The government will take decisions, start the process of the globalization and privatization. Yes or no? Yes, I discussed. We discussed. Yes or no? Yes, we discussed. In 1991, the government will take the decision, start up the process of globalization and privatization. We will see one by one now. Okay? See here, proper infrastructure. Okay? Here it is proper infrastructure means here it is. We will see here, and it was required. Proper infrastructure means first it is infrastructure means it is proper transportation facilities. It is proper transportation facilities. Proper transportation facilities. Proper infrastructure means for proper transportation facilities. If it is there, transport facilities means we can trade the one country to the another country. Yes or no? Yes, we can trade one country. May it is most important with this transport facilities. Example, we will see now it is there airline, flight is there, and we can go wherever we want. We can go wherever we want, and corner of the world also we can go, and corner of the country we can go in the flight. But earlier not available. Before 1990s, earlier it is not available. This facility, the flight facilities, it is not available. Even railway also. Railway, if we will, railway facilities is there nowadays. Yes or no? Nowadays means it is earlier also is there, but overall the country, it is not there earlier. Now it is there, but on that time earlier it is not there. That is the main reason. That time it is business trade, business it is limited. Means only restricted area. Means what is the lack of transportation facilities? When it is there lack of transportation facilities, the business they will do within that area. They will not go out of the area. They will not do. They will do within that area. Means if example, if it is there transport facility up to the Bangalore, means they will go there and they will trade. Otherwise, they will establish the one business. That's it. Means there is no transport facility for the Mysore. If there is no transport facilities, means they will not go or not. They will not go. Why? Means there is no transportation facilities. How we will go? How we will establish the business there? That is the main reason they will not go. Like that only in our country also. Like that only in our country also, they will do within restricted area. That time what will happen? What will happen is the business and trade will be limited. What will happen is it is that business business trade should limited. Within that area only they will trade the goods and services. Okay, within that area only. If it is there, flight facility means we can trade the one country to the another country. Otherwise, we can't trade. Yes or no? Yes. If you want to supply the goods to the example, I am telling, if India, it supply to the goods to America means first transport facilities it is must and should. If it is their airline, if it is their flight means they will transport, they will supply the goods and services to the America. Otherwise, we can't ride. That is the main reason. First is proper infrastructure. If it is there means that time we will trade the goods and services easily. Even we will get the more profit. If it is there is no proper infrastructure means what will happen? Means we are not getting more profit here. That is the main reason the government, the public sector, they will take initially and they will build the proper infrastructure in our country. When they will build the proper infrastructure, that time it is we will trade the goods and services easily. When we will get the goods and services easily, we will get the more profit. When we get the more profit, that time we will in our country economic development will increase. Okay, this is the infrastructure. Proper infrastructure, if it is there means the proper infrastructure play important role in the development of public sector. Okay, it is a very important role. If it is there transport facility means we will trade. Otherwise, we can't trade within the restricted area. We are going to trade and we will return. That's why they have to arrange, they have to proper infrastructure. If it is there means that time it is helpful for the trade the business even, and we will start the, and even we will go to the America, we will invest the, we will foreign investment also, we will invest. When we will invest in foreign means that time our country name will increase. Okay, and next it is regional balance. Regional balance means here it is after independence. After independence, here it is the few cities only developed. The government will take only few cities. What are the few cities means? Here it is Madras, Bengal, Madras and Mumbai. Now Mumbai they will call Bombay, right? Yes. Madras, Bengal, Bombay. These three cities only will develop. After the independence, they will concentrate, they will develop only Madras, Bengal, Bombay. And here they will start the industries. Here they will start the industries. What are the industries means? Here it is textile, they will start. And other industries means it is textile industries and cottage industries, and these are all the industries, even food industries. They will start in Madras, Bengal and Bombay. Okay, for the purpose of to develop the public sector. Okay, other industries they will start. Why they are going to start? Means to gain the profit, to increase the economic development. For the purpose of they are going to start in Madras and Bengal and Mumbai. Means they will start the industries. They will establish the industries there. Okay. What are the industries? Means textile and other industries. For the purpose of to reduce the regional means backward areas. In backward areas they don't have even basic needs also. What are the basic needs? Food, water, shelter, hair. Yes or no? It is. What is the basic need? Means here it is food, water, shelter, sleep. This is the basic need for the human being. Okay? This is the basic need for the human being. Food, water, shelter, sleep. In backward areas, even they will not get basic needs also. That is the main reason in backward areas they will establish the industries. What are the industries here? It is textile or textile and food industries. They will start. Why they are going to start here? For the purpose of to reduce the backwardness in our organization. When they will start in that backward areas industries means that time the employment opportunities will create. Yes or no? Yes, it will create. When we will start in backward areas industries, the employment opportunities will create. Even they will fulfill the when they will get the employment opportunities, when they will get the job, that time they will get the salary. And that salary they will fill the basic needs. They will fill the basic needs, and that time after that the standard of living will increase. When the standard of living will increase, automatically the economic development will happen. That is the main reason here it is start up the industries in backward areas. And similarly in other days, in Justinpur they are starting the many industries. They are establishing the many industries in Justinpur. Okay, and cottage industries, village industries, textile industries, and paper industries, oil industries. They will start for the purpose of to reduce the regional balance, means to reduce the backwardness in that area. When industries will establish their means, that time they get the employment opportunities. The employment opportunities will get means standard of living it is automatically they will get. And economy of the scale, the government will invest the capital on public sector more money will invest to develop the public sectors, but here they will not get the profit. Already I explained it. Why means here the government will get the decision, the public sector will not take decision here. That is the main reason here it is they will not get the profit here. They have to invest more money here. The public sector, the government will invest more money, but here they will not get the profit. That is the main reason the economic scale will grow slow. When the public sector will get more money, that time the economic scale will go high level. Okay, and next it is the check over the concentration of economic power. Yes, the government will check the and concentration of the economic power. Means what resources we have, and how we have to use, and everything they will check here. Concentrate means what's the amount is there, how much capital we have, how we have to develop the industries in our organization, and how we have to develop the organization here, how we have to develop the industries here. Everything they will check. If we will invest their money means we will getting profit or not. They have to concentrate. Okay? And what is the economic power on our country? They will check and they will after that they will invest their money. If they will get profit means they will invest. Otherwise they will not invest here. Okay? And next it is the government. Okay? Next it is the government policy towards public sector since 1991. What happened in 1991? What happened means the government public sector. Okay, and public sector. That is the main reason here it is the government policies. So what are the government policies in 1991 means we will see now what is one by one what is the government policies. And after the 1991 the country it should be have developed in the country. How means already I told means it is free flow of the goods and services people means that time foreign investment will come and even they will get the more profit. How they will get means here if they want to invest here means America which is invest in India means they have to pay some money, and if it is and here the privatization, if they will do privatization means the government will not invest any capital on the private investors, only they will invest on public enterprises. They will only invest in the public enterprises. They will not invest in public enterprises. Sorry, invest. They will not invest on private investors. Here it is. Public enterprises, private, the government will invest the money on public sector only. Okay, the government will invest the capital only in public sector. The government will invest the capital only in public sector. In private enterprises, they will not invest. They will not invest. The government will not invest here. Here only they will invest public sector. When privatization will happen, privatization means it is transfer the ownership to the public sector to the private sectors. Okay, when it is transfer means that time the public enterprises ownership will transfer to the private enterprises. That time, okay, that time they will not invest here money. If they will not invest here money means that money should be saved. Is that no? Yes, the money should be saved. That is the main reason here more getting the profit. Means public sectors they transfer into the private sectors. The private people will invest the capital and the government will not invest here. The government will not invest means that money should be saved to the government. That money will invest some other things they will invest. Example, it is proper infrastructure and transportation facilities and railways. They will invest there. Okay, understood? And this is the public enterprise and private enterprises. Next class we will see what are the government policies. Next class we will see what are the government policies towards public sector since 1991. Okay, this is the see here it is. This is the importance of the public sector. It is proper infrastructure. I explained already. Okay, see I am explaining once again here. Proper infrastructure. Proper infrastructure means it is a proper transportation facilities providing to do the business here. If it is there proper transportation facilities means we can trade easily. Otherwise we can't trade. If it is there flight means we can trade to the other country. If it is not there means we can't trade. If it is the railway facilities in overall the corner of the country means we can trade. Like that. Provide the proper infrastructure facilities. And next is regional balance. Here it is the government after independence they are developing the three cities: Madras, Mumbai, Bengal. they will not invest on private sector. The private people will invest the capital here. That money will save and the government will invest in some other way. Okay? Okay students, thank you.